Explore Ubud, visit the cultural heart of Bali, known for its lush rice terraces, art galleries, traditional markets, and ancient temples. Don't miss the sacred monkey forest sanctuary in Ubud. Continue. ChatGPT. Certainly. Continuing from the exploration of Ubud, here are some more things to do in this vibrant cultural hub of Bali. Ubud Art Market. Explore the bustling Ubud Art Market, also known as Pasar Seni Ubud. It's a vibrant market where you can find a wide range of traditional crafts, textiles, paintings, woodcarvings, and souvenirs. Don't forget to practice your bargaining skills. Campuhan Ridge Walk. Take a leisurely stroll along the Campuhan Ridge Walk, a picturesque trail that winds through lush rice fields and offers stunning views of the surrounding valleys. It's a great way to enjoy nature and escape the hustle and bustle of the town. Ubud Palace. Puri Saran Palace. Visit the Ubud Palace, the official residence of the royal family of Ubud. Explore the ornate architecture, intricate carvings, and beautiful gardens. The palace also hosts traditional dance performances in the evenings. Goa Gadja, Elephant Cave. I mentioned this earlier, but it's worth reiterating. Goa Gadja is an ancient archaeological site located just outside Ubud. Marvel at the intricate stone carvings, explore the cave, and soak in the spiritual ambience. Ubud Monkey Forest. This is a must-visit attraction in Ubud. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary is a natural reserve and temple complex where you can observe playful monkeys in their natural habitat. Remember to follow the guidelines and be cautious with your belongings. Tirta Impul Temple, located in the nearby village of Tampaksiring, Tirta Impul is a significant Hindu temple famous for its sacred spring water. Visitors can participate in a traditional purification ritual by bathing in the holy waters. Ubud Traditional Art and Dance Performances. Ubud is renowned for its traditional arts and cultural performances. Attend a Balinese dance performance at venues like the Ubud Palace or the Ubud Royal Palace to witness the grace and beauty of Balinese dance forms. Ubud Rice Terraces. Take the time to explore the lush green rice terraces surrounding Ubud. The Tagalalang rice terraces are particularly famous for their scenic beauty and offer great photo opportunities. Relax on the beautiful beaches of Bali. Bali is famous for its picturesque beaches. Some popular choices include Kuta Beach, Seminyak Beach, Nusa Dua Beach, and Padang Padang Beach. Kuta Beach, as one of the most famous beaches in Bali, Kuta Beach attracts many tourists. It offers vast sandy shores, perfect for surfing, swimming, and beach activities. Additionally, Kuta is known for its abundant restaurants, shops, and nightlife. Seminyak Beach. Seminyak Beach is a stylish and luxurious beach in Bali. It features fine sandy shores, luxury resorts, trendy restaurants, and upscale shopping venues. You can enjoy sunbathing, take leisurely walks along the beach, or indulge in delicious food and drinks at beachside bars. Nusa Dua Beach. Located in the southern part of Bali, the Nusa Dua area boasts wide white sandy beaches and clear waters. Nusa Dua is a high-end resort area with many luxury hotels, golf courses, and water sports facilities. Padang Padang Beach. Padang Padang Beach is a beautiful beach near Uluwatu. It offers magnificent scenery, surrounded by cliffs, and is suitable for surfing and sunbathing. Additionally, you can visit the nearby Uluwatu Temple and witness spectacular sunsets. Gili Islands. Although not located on Bali itself, the Gili Islands are a destination accessible by boat from Bali. They feature beautiful beaches and a rich underwater world. The three main islands of Gili Trawangan, Gili Air, and Gili Mino offer opportunities for peaceful relaxation, diving, and snorkeling. Jimbaran Beach. Jimbaran Beach is known for its soft sandy shores and romantic beachside dinners. You can enjoy a delicious seafood dinner while admiring the beautiful sunset views. Dreamland Beach. Located near Uluwatu, Dreamland Beach is a tranquil and picturesque beach. Its waves are suitable for surfers, and the surrounding environment is peaceful. Binjai Beach. Binjai Beach is a beautiful sandy beach surrounded by cliffs. The surfing conditions here are great for experienced surfers, and the beach offers stunning views. Relax on Bali's beautiful beaches, bask in the sun, and enjoy the soothing sound of the waves. Remember to wear suitable sunscreen, respect the local culture and environment, and follow the beach regulations and safety guidelines.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.